Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Pancake Papa, where we're all about families having fun together. And today's an extra special episode for our biggest buddy, Micah, because we're doing another one of the members from his favorite Paw Patrol team from Adventure Bay. And yes, we've already done Marshall, the fireman dog, but today we're doing the leader of the pack. And what's his name? Something on the case. Oh yeah, Chase! Chase is on the case. And today, he's also on our pan. So can you say it with me? It's time for pancakes. Let's do this! Here we go. Pan's hot, and we're ready to get things rolling. So what I'm going to do is pick up my bottle, start to do some of the outlines, fill in a few of the darker spots, and then I'll check in with you in a few. It's time for Chase. And it's time for an update. Our outline's down, and Chase is already looking great. So what I'm going to do is swap over to the other lid that has the wider tip, start to go around, fill the pieces in, and of course, we're saving the eyes for last. Next steps. And it's that time. Chase is just about all filled in, and all we have left are the eyes. And as always, we let it drop from the top. Here we go, up over the head. Let's see, eye number one. Okay, we got it. Filling it in, all the way around over to eye number two. And he's all done. There we go. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is have my little flipper, go around, start to loosen him up a bit, and get it ready for the flip. Okay, kids, it's time for the countdown. So can you help me? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my goodness, look at that. Chase looks awesome. He's got a great little hat. The paw on the shield, maybe a little hard to see, but I think he looks great. And I think Micah's gonna love him. So what I'm gonna do, let him cook on the bottom for just another few seconds, put him on a plate, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Woo-woo! Micah, I'm ready for you. Come on, we got a pancake. Oh, look it.
I do eat him.
Can you eat him? Yeah, who is it? Chase. From what? Paw Patrol. And what does he say? Chase is
On the cake.
Chase is on the case. And you like him?
I do eat him.
You can eat him, buddy. You want a little peanut butter?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
And I want some milk.
And some milk. The perfect combo. Hey, everybody, we hope you absolutely love the Chase Pancake. And you know what? We only need you to do a couple things. Find us on Instagram at the Pancake Papa, and what, my God? Oh, subscribe down below. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.